so blue. We spill our thoughts till the night is through. Coffee cups and dreams collide. In this moonlit diner we hide. Greasy fries and melted cheese. Conversations flow with ease. Jukebox plays a broken tune. Dancing shadows in the room. We are the night owls with tales to tell, hoping this twilight casts a spell. Lost in the stories we dare to share. In the moonlit diner without a care. Cracked leather seats hold our weight. Midnight secrets couldn't wait. Sugar packets piled high, steam escaping from our sky. Waitress knows us by our names. Life beyond the wall seems tame. Dining napkins scribble thoughts, finding gold in what we've got. As dawn creeps in cold and pale, silence where laughter prevails. Empty mouths and tired eyes, chasing twilight's last disguise. We are the night owls with tales to tell,